To make notes on Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, first of all open Apps screen, and right now you have to search for Notes application. There we go. And right now click on this icon in the right bottom corner to create it. And I can highly recommend you to switch input method from the keyboard into the voice typing. Now as you can see, it's recognized everything that I'm saying right now. And that's pretty much it. Once you actually finish with your note, you can click done in the right upper corner. I mean done, not down. There we go. And here is our new note. When you're gonna swipe on the left side, you can delete this note. When you are gonna click and hold it, nothing is gonna happen. I mean, you'll just open it, but there's no so many additional functions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.